All right, hi boys and girls. I'm kind of doing a different angle today because my shoulder is hurting from doing so many videos today. I've done about 12. It's a little crazy. So I'm going to try to write this way so that my neck gets a little bit of a break in my shoulder. We are going to start our spelling sounds on number 1. Our worksheet today, sorry about that, got distracted, is 109 lesson, and it has a G on it with a giraffe. All right, let's start with our sounds. Number 1, we have Y. That's Y. Number 2, we have I. Number 3, we have B. Number 4, we have A. Number 5, we have R. They're making it really easy on us again, aren't they? Let's start number 6 up here. Number 6, M. Number 7, sh, sh. Number 8, th. That's the th with the line through it when we look at it. Number 9, h. And number 10, g. Alrighty. Make sure you have all those written down before we move on and practice spelling a couple of words. The first word we're going to spell is number 11, and that is found. So it's F, and then that ow sound in the middle, U-N, N, and D, found. And our second word is throw, so we have that same O sound. O. All right. Make sure you have these down, and then we are going to move on to our next thing we're learning. It is let's look at the words first. Here are our words. We have gentle, magic, and gym. Do you hear that sound that's in there, that G, what sound the G is making? It's making a J sound, which is like J, but in this case we're calling it a gentle G, or a soft G. When we code the soft G, we just put a little dot on the top of it so that we know that. And you could kind of practice and say it with the hard G. It would be gentle, and that doesn't sound right? Or magic, that's really hard to say. Or gim. So if you're kind of wondering which one to use, you could try it the other way, and then you would kind of see how it's not the right way. All right. All right, so a new sight word we're going to learn with this is the word change. Change looks like this, and it does have that J sound in the G, right? So now, when I say, how do you make the J sound, you would say J, comma, G. J, comma, G. And I believe that is actually what we are writing down for number 13. Hold 1 second. Yes, this would be number 13. So on number 13, make sure you have down J, comma, G. Alrighty. Next, we're going to practice spelling a couple of words. I might have to turn around because it's really hard to spell like this. Number 14 is germ. So we're learning that soft G sound, J, G, and then is that combination ER, and then M, germ. Number 15 is magic. We just saw that word on our board. A, and then J, I, K. The K at the end because there's 2 syllables in the word. Number 16, age. A, and then we have that J sound, and then we know it's an E at the end to make that A say its name. Make sure that you have these down before we move on. All right, I am going to move around before I code because this is not a comfortable way for Miss White to sit. All righty, let's start coding on number 17. We have margin. We've got a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern going on, so we're going to draw a line between our two consonants. Our G does have that J sound, so we're going to give it the little dot. Here we have combination AR. And then a brev on our I. Number 18 is page. Here again we have vowel, consonant, va, or E, so we mark off our sneaky E. Our A gets a macron, and our G makes that J sound, so it gets the dot on top. Number 19 is gentleman. Gentleman, which is a compound word, so we'll draw a line between gentle and man. Gentleman. We also, our man gets that gentleman, kind of gets that sound in the A, so it gets that schwa on it, on the A, the upside down E. And here we have our final stable syllable, TLE, so the E gets marked off, and our vowel consonant, our E gets a brev. Number 20, gerbils. We're going to box off our suffix S first off. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have a combination ER going on there. So it gets an arc under the ER. We get a line between our vowel, our two consonants, and our G gets the dot. The dot has a name. Do we remember the dot's name? I don't remember the dot's name. It wasn't in there. Sorry, guys. 21, digit. This again has that vowel, consonant, vowel pattern where we know we need to draw the line after the consonant because otherwise it would be digit, and that's not the right saying. So it gets the brev and the IT gets the brev. All right, make sure you have all that down before I move on to the next section. Also, you're going to draw a line over to the picture that matches. Do you know what a gerbil is? It's kind of like a little mouse, in case you didn't know. A little pesky rodent. All right, number 22, kindness. We're going to box off our NESS suffix. Bleh. Here is a wild colt word. Our I gets a macron. Kind, ein. 23 is steak. Here we have that EA digraph. It makes the A sound this time, so we're going to cross off the E, give the A macron. Number 24, performed. Our ED suffix just gets boxed off. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have a consonant combination OR. We're going to draw a line between our two consonants, and we have combination ER. 25, racehorse. This is a compound word because we have race and horse. We'll just draw a line between the two. Here we have a consonant E, so our A says it gets a macron, says its name. Our E is marked off. And listen to this, race. We have that soft C, so it gets the S underneath of it. Here we have combination OR. And then our E gets marked off because we don't say it. Number 26, last we have rolled. We're going to box off our ED. This is one of those wild colt words because our O should get a brev, but it's getting a macron and saying rolled. All right, make sure you have all those down and you draw a line over to the picture that matches. And we're going to turn around and look and see what we have for homework. On the back, oh, everybody's fave. Oh, wait. First of all, picture card, giraffe, soft G. J. Okay. On the back, we are writing sentences again. I think you guys are just going to be pros at this now, so tell me what the people in the picture are doing. All right, and I will see you next time.